This channel was merged on October 16, 2022. That means, if we count from now on, this channel is only 5 months old and has already earned $1,200 to $19,000 per month. We will discuss in detail this channel in this video. Hello everyone, back again on the Tips by Taya's channel. This channel will always provide information about how to make money from the internet. Lately, I've been talking about YouTube Shorts all the time. Well, here I will give reasons why I always discuss YouTube Shorts over and over again. First of all, YouTube Shorts have a lot of advantages. On YouTube, you can more easily get subscribers and views compared to long videos on YouTube. The chances of success on YouTube are also greater than for long videos, especially since now is the age of short videos. Starting from TikTok Reels, now it has penetrated into YouTube Shorts. Especially now that there is a monetization feature via YouTube Shorts with a requirement of 10 million views. In this video, I will share a YouTube Shorts content idea that has a great chance of getting millions of views. Are you interested in the content? I will recommend a channel called Akbar HD to you. He has got 33,700 subscribers in just 5 months. If you look here, this channel joined on October 16, 2022 and has already got 63 million views, which means it meets YouTube monetization requirements. How did the content achieve success so quickly? Well, the content is children's content. You can see for yourself, it focuses on short videos only, not long videos. Here, only using paper or anime images that have been edited and assembled with heads. For videos like this, it's actually really easy. You just need printed anime pictures and make a video. And of course, to make this video, it doesn't seem to have to do a lot of editing. Let's take a look at one of the videos here, which has over 14,000 views. Many of you are still asking, will we be subject to copyright claims if we use music from YouTube Shorts? The answer is no. Because we use music that is already licensed. This means that if we get paid from monetization, a certain percentage will be deducted to pay for the license. So, it's okay to use music from YouTube itself, like this channel. But remember, not all music can be used. What is important? Use the music that has been provided. Okay, let's continue watching the video. So, the video is just like that, like taking anime heads apart. For papers like this, you can get them from Google Anime Images. Then, simply print it out, cut it out, and create a video. To make a video like this, you don't need much time. Very fast. In fact, in just one day, you can get 30 videos. Yes, if you are really serious, one day can produce 30 videos. You can see for yourself, on this channel there are already more than 300 videos. Even though it's only been 2 months, meaning he can upload more than 10 videos a day, maybe even 5 videos. Okay, you can check this Akbar HD channel. The target audience for this channel or content like this is children. Now, for those of you who want to create content like this, I suggest prioritizing quantity. For example, you upload 10 times a day. It's even more okay, because uploading on YouTube is still free. So, why not upload a lot? That will increase your chances of getting more views. Especially for content like this, it's very easy to create and there's definitely a market for it. Lots of people watching. Okay, guys, that's enough for this video explanation. I hope you understand what I have explained from beginning to end. If something is unclear or something you don't understand, please ask in the comments column or re-watch this video so you understand it better. Don't forget to subscribe. subscribe to this channel so you don't miss other opportunities for making money from the internet, especially from YouTube. Once again, thanks to you who have clicked and watched this video until the end. You guys are so cool. I'm saying goodbye now, and see you in the next video. Thank you for your concern and support. Don't forget to continue to support and follow this channel so you can get the latest information and other interesting opportunities to make money from the internet. Until next time.